Well, would you look at that? Another day, another dollar. Today we had the webinar for all of the people who bought the course, a little private webinar live on YouTube, and we broke it all down. We made some serious money today. I think I had my best day in a long time. Honestly, best day in a long time. Trading in my live account. This is my money, Patrick Whelan funded. No other prop firm, none of that stuff. Not against prop firms, but for me right now, I'm a millionaire, so maybe it's time for me to start trading real money in. Well, today we're up over $22,000. You can see right there at the top, live account. It's real, it's happening. We're doing it live on YouTube. Make sure you tune in and maybe check out the course as well, $200. So if we look here, we had the breakout potential. We had a VWAP bounce, a lot of stuff going on. Talking about this live in the chat, the idea of breaking back above the 880s there and then pushing up there into the 940s. It pushed all the way up there to 981. I don't want to talk about it because that would have been like a $50,000 profit day. But hey, beggars can't be choosers, and you know I'm a beggar. Trying to get that money, baby. So right now, looking at the NASDAQ just to break down this setup of the day, we had right here. We had this setup. This is our bear flag, our bull flag breakout. Sorry, bull flag breaking out there, right? Trying to get this push up there through the 880s. We bounced off the VWAP very aggressively earlier there. So we saw this dip, a little bit of a trap. I saw this setup, and I'm like, man, this is like the perfect trap to bounce off the VWAP, to get back above there, to get the breakout. And look at that move all the way up there from the 873s all the way up there to the 980s. You had this whole thing laid out live on the stream as well. A lot of people making money today in the webinar, little 3-hour live webinar here. But again, the VWAP today playing out perfectly. The pivot points as well. Pivot points this morning. Look at this pivot point, 928 pivot, up there to the 910 pivot. This is all stuff that we talk about in the course. It's all in the course. We break it all down. People always have questions, what indicators, what I use, and how I do it. But hey, you can see all of this stuff happening. And well, big dump down from the 980s back to the pivot point. And now we're just going sideways. We got some news today with the FOMC minutes and all of that. So we'll see how it kind of played out. But I really thought this was a textbook type of breakout setup, especially with the VWAP down there with that trap. You know, I was talking about this on the webinar, the idea of kind of like trapping below the 60, 70 area. So trapping below there, kind of trap these the stops there. People were buying, trying to buy that dip. You can kind of see it on the 1-minute chart as well. People kind of like buying this, right? They're thinking that we're going to push up, so there's going to be a lot of orders, stop loss orders kind of sitting below here. Bang, we're right down there to the pivot point, or sorry, right down there to the VWAP, and then a huge candle to the upside. We had another setup here as well for a long opportunity, another little trap, a little manipulation to the downside below the low of these candles, and then the breakout. We talked about it live on YouTube as well in the webinar. From the 933s now up there to the 980s, from there up there. So about 50 points. And yeah, this is all very textbook for the members in the chat today and everybody. So pretty happy with the day. We had a great positive community response, and everybody was positive. We had a good chat. It was just like very, very constructive. Everybody was trading. Everybody was focused. And that's what we did. We made money. And like I said, had one of my best days in a while, $22,000 in one live account. And there's the VWAP, double bounce off the VWAP, the bounce off of the VWAP at open. We talked about this move. I mean, the VWAP, the pivot point, literally just lining up right there. Another little breakout here through this high. We traded from the 42s up to the 59s. It pulls back again, and then it starts to set up for another little breakout, kind of like through here again, and then going up. Bang, 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 bang. So we had some opportunities. We made some money. And, well, I hope everybody who has bought the course so far capitalized on momentum. And that's the one thing I love about momentum is it allows me to just see what the market's doing and not try to predict, not try to, guess what's going to happen. I'm like, hey, all I need to do is wait for a candle to make a new high or a candle to make a new low and all those types of things. And then I look for, targets based on the previous area of price action. I don't need to have any crazy concepts or ideas or anything. It's just trading what I see in front of me, and today locking it in there in the green. And that's literally all it's about, my friends. You walk away up $22,000 on the day. Nothing wrong with that. 22,144 in the live account here. So That's it. That's all. I'm going to go Chipotle now, and I'll be back live on YouTube tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. If you guys want to learn more about the course, there's a link down below. It's $199. I'm pretty sure I'm not going to guarantee, but you spend $200, I think you're going to possibly make $200 back trading, if you follow the plan and you have it all laid out. There's no guarantees in life, and with trading, most people will fail, and most people that will buy the course will probably fail because they just don't put in the effort. They're not realistic. And a lot of those things we talk about in the course, trying to, remove a lot of that emotion, remove a lot of the emotion that forces you into trades and the FOMO and all of that. Let's remove all that. Let's change the psychology of that. Let's focus on bigger things. Let's focus on being consistent. And let's just focus on kind of figuring it out as we go. Like I talked about earlier on the stream, you're going to be a better day trader, right? In 10 years from now, 5 years, 1 year, 10 months, 10 weeks, you're going to be a better day trader than you are right now. Right now, I'm a pretty good day trader. I feel pretty good. But hey, in 5 years from now, I'm going to be a lot better, right? I'm making $22,000 today. Like, how much can I make in 5 years from now? The possibilities are endless. And the great thing about it is trading is just going to continuously grow and grow, and there's always going to be opportunities. So the idea that you're trying to get rich today, you're going to get rich today off of trading, and you're going to just, I'm a millionaire because I started trading. Well, that's just not realistic. But if you have a good foundation, you have the basics, you can build on that, you can grow with that, and you can learn, start out small, start trading, and build up, some equity, build up your account, and get to a point where make a little bit of money every day, pay the bills, live a happy life. There it is. If you guys haven't, hit that like button, subscribe button, all those buttons down below. Tune in tomorrow morning, 9 a.m. I'll see you guys live right here on YouTube.